Hello girls, I hope you are doing well. Previously on this semester we talked about affixes. We said that affixes are a letter or a group of letters we add to the end of the word, which is a suffix, or at the beginning of the word, which is a prefix. So, in this exercise we are going to talk about suffixes and prefixes for verbs. So we are going to answer exercise number 2 on the dictionary corner, page 73. Starting with the suffix. What is a suffix? A suffix is a letter or a group of letters added at the end of a word to make a new word. The end of the word, يعني بآخر الكلمة. Okay? So, the suffixes are letters or a letter we add to change the word into another one. You have in this exercise, starting with the first one, the word bright. Bright is an adjective. When we add the suffix en at the end of this adjective, it becomes a verb. Okay? So, brighten. Brighten means to make something brighter, اللي هو ينير أو يضيء. Okay? So, pay attention that en or an is a prefix and a suffix for verbs. Okay? Flat. Flat is an adjective. When we add en at the end of this word, it becomes flatten, a verb, to make something flat. يعني يسطح. Quiet or quiet is an adjective. Okay, when we add en اللي هو suffix at the end of it, it becomes a verb to make something or somebody quiet. يعني يهدئ. Worsen. The adjective worse means it's something bad. When we add en to the end of it, it becomes a verb to become worse. Worsen, to become worse. Sweet also is an adjective. When we add en at the end of it, it becomes a verb to make something sweet by adding sugar or anything make it sweet. يعني يحلي. Okay? So, you have to know that the suffix en is a suffix for verbs. We add it to the end of the words to make a new words. Now, let's talk about prefix or prefixes. What is the prefix? A prefix is a letter or a group of letters added to the beginning of a word to make a new word. يعني suffix at the end. The prefix من اسمه pre يعني قبل. So at the beginning of the word. We have some words here. The word danger. Danger is a noun. خطر. But when we add the prefix en at the beginning of it, it becomes a verb. Endanger يعني to cause danger to someone or something. يعني يهدد بالخطر. Enrich. Rich is an adjective يعني غني. Okay? But when we add the prefix en at the beginning of it, it becomes enrich verb. It becomes verb. اللي هي يثري. In a different way يعني to improve the quality of something. Courage اللي هي الشجاعة. It's a noun. When we add n to the word courage, it becomes a verb. يعني يشجع, to give hope, support or confidence. Force يعني قوة. It's a noun. When we add the prefix n at the beginning of it, it becomes a verb which means to make people obey the law or rule. يعني يفرض or يعني يجبر someone to do something. Okay? Large is an adjective. When we add the prefix n at the beginning of it, it becomes a verb. Enlarge يعني يكبر, to make something bigger.